In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment on Xero Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable an online payment option on a specific invoice so your customer can pay quickly and you can reconcile faster. First, from your Xero dashboard, head to the sales area. This is your starting point for managing invoices and all things related to getting paid. Inside sales, look for online payments. This section controls which payment service is available on your invoices, and it's where Xero connects to your chosen provider. Before you go any further, make sure your online payment account is fully set up and verified. If setup is incomplete, the option won't appear on your invoices. Take a moment to confirm your payment service details are complete, that you've passed any required verification, and that the account you'll receive funds into is correct. Once that's confirmed, return to sales. Now choose Invoices. You'll see your invoice list organized by status. Open the Draft tab so you're working on an invoice you can still edit without affecting customers. Selecting a draft is a good practice because you can adjust settings, add items, and turn on payments before you approve and send. Pick the draft invoice you want to enable payments on. This opens the invoice editor. Look for the online payment section on the invoice. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can manage the settings. This panel is where you decide which payment method your customer will see. Click Manage. Here, select the payment service or account you want to use with this invoice. Choose the option that matches the currency and settlement timing you prefer. If you have multiple services connected, be sure you pick the one you actually use for this customer or region. Also, double check that the receiving account shown is the one you expect. Consistency here helps keep your reconciliation clean later. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. Saving applies the payment option to this specific invoice. From now on, when you preview or later send the invoice to your customer, they'll see a clear pay button tied to the service you chose. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page to confirm the settings took effect. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your invoice spacing in draft until all details and the payment option look right. Verify the currency matches your payment service, and if setup is incomplete, return to the online payments area to finish verification. That's it. Your invoice now has online payments enabled, making it easier for customers to pay and for you to get paid.